Clean all straight and curved shapes with the automatic head, featuring a 3-sided brush that cleans all areas simultaneously. Easily achieve effective brushing with more convenience. Introducing Wing Brush. Wing Brush was designed for anyone to achieve easy and effective brushing. A multi-sided brush takes care of your teeth on all sides, interdental spaces, and even gums, and its auto head transformation adjusts between straight and curved parts of your teeth for detailed brushing. Wing Brush incorporates an ultrasonic vibration motor, instantly removing plaque and food particles on teeth or gum pockets by simply pressing on the desired area for each second. So you can easily and thoroughly brush your teeth in just 1 minute. Improper brushing not only fails to clean your teeth, but also damages them. However, recommended brushing techniques are often complex and challenging. The 3-sided Wing Brush naturally allows base brushing, recommended by ADA. Thanks to the auto head that adjusts to your dentition, you can simultaneously clean hard-to-reach areas, like the back of front teeth or molars, chewing surfaces, and even interdental spaces with a simple hand movement. Wing Brush prevents cervical abrasion, as it does not rub against the teeth. Thanks to the auto head feature, users can simply press and hold without any uncomfortable wrist or elbow bending. Even individuals with limited physical abilities can effortlessly enjoy proper brushing every time. Working as a dentist, I witnessed many visitors suffering from periodontal disease and cervical abrasion due to improper brushing, which led us to develop Wing Brush that allows effective brushing techniques. Enjoy enhanced oral hygiene care at home with our device that thoroughly cleans all areas of your teeth. The 3-sided brush with auto head transformation for your easy and effective brushing. Wing Brush.